Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a Chibi Wednesday Addams from Wednesday. Let's get started, okay? It's going to be simple, completely simple, and really easy, and very easy to follow. So stick with me all the way to the very end of the video, and let's get started, okay? Going to go over, remember, Chibi version, so it's going to be large head right now. Curve right here for one side of the head. I'm gonna go over here for the other side of the head, alright? Cool. As I go down here, I'm gonna find the bottom of the face. So curve here. Down for the part in the hair, and I'm going to go over here and curve over here to this one side for that far side of the hair. Don't forget, hit the subscribe, click the bell notifications if you like drawing and learning how to draw. I go over everything. If you want to know how to draw something else, let me know in the comments section. I'm thinking if you want to draw a more realistic version of Wednesday, we can do that as well. Just let me know. I'm going to go over here, curve for this side of the hair. Cool. Gonna go here and find the little body, right? When you're talking about chibi art, it's incredibly small little bodies. So I'm gonna line over here, out, down, up, almost like this teddy bear body. Down over here, line across for the bottom like a skirt. I'm gonna pull up over here to the armpit, and then find the other teddy bear like hand over here. Gonna go over here now, down, curve up, over here, down, curve up, right on. Over here on this side, and I'm gonna go curve, over here, curve. These are the pigtails, right? We're gonna make those pretty big because it's a big part of the kind of the character of, you know, kind of the visual characteristics of Wednesday. Curve down here, and then over here that last bit right there looks more like a pepperoni or something, like a jalapeno or something. Curve right here. Gonna go over here the far end, and I'm gonna draw it out the same way. Line over here, line over here. Line over here, line over here, line over here, line over here. Same thing. We're kind of exaggerating those, right? As part of our character. Down right here, like a teardrop. Right on. Gonna go over here and draw the eyes. So circle right there for one eye. Circle right here for the other. Obviously, these very simplified chibi eyes. Fill in most of it, I think that'd be good. Line right here for kind of some lashes. Line over here as well. And then we're gonna go line across, like very unamused. Like she doesn't know what's going on, like, I don't like this. Go down here, curve underneath for a little bit of a neck. It's like a U shape. Over here, we're going to draw like a down, up, like a V shape. Don't forget, hit up Skillshare for any extra lessons. I have an entire cartoon drawing lesson there. I have a ebook on how to draw something that's like, you know, like proportionally cute kind of stuff like that. Go check that stuff out. There's a lot of valuable stuff in the description, so go take a look at that when you can. Down over here, up. Line across, splitting this, kind of the outfit she had on the show. Line over here, to kind of reveal her arm there, her, you know, and then line over here as well, down below. Something I want to do is I want to fill in this hair as a block. I'm going to leave a little bit of a line there to show it, but I'm going to fill this in right now. And I think that's because if you think of the visual characteristics of her, she's wearing all black, including her outfit and her hair. And I think we can get by on just doing this with the hair right now, in my opinion. I think that's going to be very easy to do, so I'm going to do that here. So, oopsie daisy. Here as well, fill this in. Alright, we're going to fill that in it. Now we're going to go over here and fill this in as well. The pigtail coming down, and kind of leave that line there for that line that we separated. You're kind of leaving the negative space to kind of become positive right there. Right over here as well. Hopefully you guys had a great day, by the way. Let me know what you thought of the show. Like, let me know in the comments section. What did you guys think of the show? I thought the show was pretty cool. I like a lot of Addams Family. I like the movie. I like the old TV show. You know, like the movie from the 90s. I don't think I saw the cartoon that came out like last year. I'm very curious about that. You could do that. And her outfit, in turn, looks a little bit light. So what we're going to do is we're going to kind of make sure the lines show around the edges, kind of. Make sure the lines show. So we're leaving a negative space there, and we're going to fill this in as well, where it's butting up against something else that's dark. Because, like I said, it's such a big part of her character. And, you know, you're kind of using up the marker. Be careful, though. The marker can smell pretty bad, so do it in a ventilated area. Do it with a fan around or something like that. So, alright, here, something like that, where we're going to leave a negative space right there for something like that. So, fill this in. And we're going to fill in the shoes as well. That's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you watched the TV show. Let me know what you thought of the TV show, because I really want to know that. But that's Wednesday. It looks way more like her, like this. See, in black and white format. It really has that type. And if you really want, you can add maybe like a thicker line around the edge. It's kind of up to you. But that is the Chibi version of Wednesday. I want to thank you very much for watching. If you want to see a more realistic version, a lesson with that, let me know. Okay, please reach out to me and be like, hey, what's up? I need to know this, you know. But say hi to me in the comment section. I will say hi. I will reply to every single comment. Okay. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Talk to you soon. And yeah, I'll see you hopefully in the next video. Stick around. You'll see some choices at the very end of the video, and you can see the different videos that are kind of displayed there. Thank you.